Well, we continue getting you ground inputs here as far as COVID war rooms that have also been set up in different states here. What is also being done at an individual level by citizens. Now, here's a report that's coming in from Jammu. Traders' body there has set up a war room for oxygen, medicine, as well as ration that is required by people to help people amidst this raging second wave as Jammu continues to report high numbers. Now, in these war rooms, people can get oxygen, they can get medicines by showing a doctor's prescription, and there is also ration, food that is stored for helping people. A look at this report that's brought in by Times Network. Pradeep Datta.
COVID pandemic may have hit their business badly, but has failed to shatter their jazba and junoon to serve their own people. Traders Federation here, they have come out with an idea of war room. You can see they've got 120 oxygen cylinders in the war room. Besides this, they are also providing medicine to needy people at a time when people are gasping for breath and hospitals are scrambling to shore up oxygen cylinder. Free of cost, they are providing these oxygen cylinders. At this critical stage, when country is going through a difficult phase and grappling to deal with second wave of COVID surge, this extraordinary kindness is really going to make difference. We have got with us the Traders Federation leader. Let's speak to him. कितने सिलेंडर हैं और कैसे किस्म का आपका रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है? अभी डिस्ट्रेस कॉल आती है तो कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं?
ऐसा है कि जिस तरह से हमारे जम्मू प्रोविंस में स्थिति बनी हुई है और हॉस्पिटल में बेड नहीं है, वेंटिलेटर नहीं है, उसको देखते हुए हमारी सबसे जिम्मेदार फेडरेशन और सबसे बड़ा व्यापारिक संगठन ट्रेडर फेडरेशन वेयर हाउस की तरफ से हमने वॉलंटरी 3 वार रूम बनाए हैं। जो पहला वार रूम है हमारा वो है ऑक्सीजन वार रूम। उसके अंदर 120 हमारे पास ये सिलेंडर हैं और 5 बाईपैप मशीनें हैं और 5 कंसंट्रेटर है और फ्लो मीटर है और इनको जो है गरीब लोगों तक पहुंचाया जा रहा है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। और इनका ये प्रोसीजर रखा है हमने कि जो भी आ रहा है और जिनका ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम है वो अपनी डॉक्टर की पर्ची बताएगा और हमसे जो है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट जो है सिलेंडर और जो है वो लेके जाएगा।
Without any problem, without any hassle, you can take oxygen cylinder from here. All you have to do is you have to show prescription of doctor. They have got the BiPAP machine because many patients here had been complaining that they were not getting those BiPAP machines. They were not getting, in fact, some of the smaller equipments were not available in medical shops here. So they are providing these equipment. What is more important is that they have suffered a lot because of this COVID lockdown. There is complete shutdown. Life has come to screeching halt. Almost their business is zero. But at this stage, they are taking out money from their pocket. Everybody is trying to pull in money so that they can help needy. You can see here ration is being there because many of people who are totally dependent on labor work, daily wages, they are not able to keep their kitchen fire stoked. So they are like masiya for them too. They're trying to provide this material to them so that at least they can have 2 times meal properly.